How to install ceramic disc spindles. This short video is designed to assist with the understanding of how ceramic disc spindles work and, most importantly, how they should be correctly installed. Please take note. Linkware Australia advises that plumbing work of this nature must be undertaken by a licensed plumber and will void warranty if not done so. A ceramic disc spindle is a great solution to overcoming taps that become hard to turn on and off, and is suitable in most wall and hob applications. Please check your existing spindles to ensure that a ceramic disc spindle will be suitable. Through advanced ceramic design, the valve inside the spindle is engineered for a soft turn. Inside the valve, we can see the ceramic disc in the closed position. By turning the handle, the disc opens up to allow water flow. Turning in the opposite direction stops the flow. There is very little effort required to turn the taps on and off, ideal for lever handle applications or people with arthritis. They can be used with many conventional handles. With 270 degrees of adjustment between a fully closed and fully open valve, should the handle be accidentally bumped, there is less chance for cold water shock or scalding with hot water. Linkware Australia manufacture a 3/4 turn ceramic disc spindle. Some companies use a 1/4 and 1/2 turn spindle. We do not recommend this as there is only a small adjustment available to blend the water correctly. Once you have checked that the existing application is suitable, this is the procedure for replacing the spindles. Ensure water is turned off at the meter and other possible isolation points such as hot water units. Once the existing tapware is removed, inspect the seat of the breeching piece, as it is important that this is in good condition prior to installing ceramic disc spindles. It is highly recommended, even for new plumbing installations, to reseat the breeching piece using a reseating tool. This will ensure the ceramic disc spindle has a good fitting against the seat. After reseating, make sure all of the debris from cutting is removed using a cloth. If this is not done, there will not be a good seal and can potentially damage the ceramic disc spindle. The seat should resemble a shiny gold ring, without defects. A ceramic disc spindle looks similar in many ways to a conventional jumper valve spindle, but this is where the most common mistakes occur. To install it correctly, the bonnet needs to be removed before fitting it into the tap hole. Install the spindle into the tap hole and tighten by hand. The base of the spindle must fit securely against the seat. Use a spanner to tighten the spindle securely, but do not over-tighten. Refit the bonnet, ensuring the red washer is in place. This creates a seal between the breeching piece and the spindle. Hand tighten, then use a tube spanner or other means to tighten the bonnet in place. After fitting the other spindle, using the same procedures just outlined, it is worthwhile to turn the water back on at the mains and run the taps for a short while to flush out any debris. Once you are satisfied that the spindles are not leaking and appear to be working correctly, replace the tap flanges and handles and secure. Check for correct operation again and your job is complete. Should you have any further problems with your installation, please ring Mark Baresic, this lovely gentleman that you now see. He will personally visit you anywhere in Australia at his own expense and fit your ceramic disc spindles with pleasure. Thank you.